Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Greef Karga from Mando Season 3. The legs I used came from the Guavian Death Squad Trooper. The hips and the torso come from Zori Bliss. The cape comes from one of the Emperor's Guards. I added some golden tassels. And finally, everything else comes from the Mando Season 2 Greef Karga. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build the figure, but this is what it should look like. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this minifigure, and I hope everybody else is as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check that you're subscribed and have left a like on this video, and maybe leave an idea if you want to see something in the future.